Yo, this is Chris Blair. It's been a while since I did a live stream by myself. Lately I've been doing live streams with other people. I did a live stream interview with Fernando. I've had a couple live streams with Gerald. So, guys, you may or may not know this, but I'm actually in Kuala Lumpur. I came to Kuala Lumpur on July 20th. I'm here for a full month. We have an event here on July 24th and August 24th and 25th. I mean, I just came out here early because I can. I mean, that's just one of the most beautiful things about being successful working in an online business is that you have the ability to pick up and go anywhere you want, anytime. I mean, I have that benefit because since 2010, I'm working full-time online. I've been able to stay in a good lifestyle, have the ability to travel, and I want that for you. And I want you to know it's totally possible. Okay, one big part of this is about belief. Okay, now I'm going to reveal this incredible, top secret method for finding winning products and dropshipping that I have never, ever spoken outside of my own private ecom Vantage group. This is one just tactic that's going to blow your mind. And I know for a fact that this is going to blow people's mind because I've actually just, in a few masterminds here and there when I met with other big sellers, I mentioned it to a couple other people and they were like, I mean, this glazed look went over their face and they said, I've never heard of that before. Okay. And so the reason I decided to do this, the reason I decided to reveal the secret is we're coming across Q4, okay? Quarter 4 is coming, right? It's the best time of year to make sales, right? Quarter 4 is the best time, right, guys? There's tons of holidays. There's Halloween, there is Black Friday, Cyber Monday, there's a whole, but I have a whole list of different other things. Christmas, Thanksgiving, and this is the time, guys. 50% of the revenue made in any single retail store, right, whether it be offline or online, 50% on average is generated in 3 months, October, November, December. And I want to have you set up for success. But so I'm going to reveal this secret, and guys, and yes, I'm deliberately building up to it, right? But before I get into this tactic, and I know everyone's going, oh, just tell me the secret, just tell me the secret. Guys, I can tell you this secret and you will fail with it. You will fail with it if you don't believe. I fucking shit you not. If you don't believe that you can have success, I can give you the secret, right? This one secret. I could actually give you the ad system. I could even go hand you a winning product and you will not make it work. The reason I know that's true is because, guys, I've seen it happen over and over again, right? And someone will have a bad day or two and they'll give up. Or they get frustrated, or they don't consistently test. They don't have the belief to overcome their own frustration that happens in this business. You have to believe. You have to be persistent, consistent. You have to be willing to keep fighting on when things don't go your way. If you don't do that, I could hand you everything. I could literally show up and say, this is a product that's hot, winning, go out and sell it right now, and you will fail. Okay, so build that belief, guys. If you have trouble building that belief, whatever your native language is, whether that be English, Chinese, Japanese, French, or whatever that is, right? Find a motivational speaker that's in your native. Don't listen to motivational stuff that's not in your own native language. I really think that's important because, and here's the guys, I've been in Japan for 20 years, okay? I speak Japanese fluently, okay? But let's just face reality. When I listen to motivational talks in Japanese, right, and I've listened to a few of them, it just doesn't hit me on that subconscious level that it does in my own native tongue, okay? It just doesn't. Even though I understand every word that's being spoken, it's just something about that, right? Because I'm not Japanese and I wasn't, born there, and it doesn't resonate me on that subconscious deep level. So, and listen to these kind of motivational speakers for 10 minutes a day. It will do wonders for your belief if you do it consistently over several months. All right. Now, on to the tactic. Hey, Chris. Hey, Dave. How you doing? Hey, General. So, hey, Richard. How you doing? Robert, Cindy. Okay. So I'm going to reveal to you guys one massive trick. Okay? That's massive. And if you want the rest, and this is just one piece, if you want some incredible stuff, you want a system to be able to go from A to Z, to take your business no matter whether you are a beginner or to whether you are a successful seller, sign up for my Ecom Vantage program, guys. Literally right now for the next 3 days, we have a 5-day trial for $7. And the reason I'm doing that is I want to prove to you. I want you get full access. I want to absolutely prove to you undoubtedly, hey, look, this is the best fucking course mastermind out there, and I'm sure of it, guys. The reason I know this is because people join me all the time who've been in other programs and say, wow, holy shit, I wish I would have joined you a lot sooner. All right, here's the trick, okay, guys? All right. Let's talk about AliExpress manufacturers. What is their native language? Their native language is Chinese, okay? And I can tell you for a fact, from a guy who's been to China a lot, unlike here in Malaysia where everyone speaks incredible English, on average, the Chinese people don't speak good English, especially and I don't want to sound like I'm discriminating, but let's face reality, in people who are working in product manufacturing, okay, their English level is very low, okay? So, I mean, you can just say that even the communication emails back and forth, you read it and you're like, okay, I'm not sure I understand that. So, how are they creating their product descriptions and titles? They're using translation software of some sort, in most cases. Which means that they often will use terminology and words that we would not use as native English speakers. So, guys, people have used this trick in my group to come up with products that sold 10, 20,000. I'm revealing this to you, and I've kept this secret for years. One of your best friends is a thesaurus. You just heard me right, a thesaurus, okay? So go in and type in, for example, bracelet, bag, jacket, whatever, in the thesaurus, and look at every other word that the thesaurus suggests. Then go back to AliExpress and search, for example, photography, whatever that weird term is that the non-native Chinese speaker chose to use to title their product. And then guess what happens? You discover hundreds of products that no one else has ever seen because the Chinese manufacturer mistitled their product because they don't speak good English. And if you are a niche master and you know your market, guys, if you're a general store owner, this is not going to work for you because you don't know what the fuck will sell in your niche or not, right? But if you are a niche master, which I teach you guys, get to know your niche, you will find the light bulb will you're just like, oh my God, and you start jumping up and down like, I just found a product that no one else knows about because I searched differently. And so you got to have the core knowledge of your niche to make this method work because you don't have the ability to look at those products and say, hey, wow, that can sell, okay? So this is a great, great trick. And guys, I know for a fact it's unusual because guys, I talked to 2 people at a recent mastermind who've done millions of dollars in sales and dropshipping, and I told them that trick. And they're just like, I mean, did this glazed look over their face. Like, why didn't I think of that? And guys, that's just one trick. That's just one. I'm actually there's so many better, cool ideas we have in our group mastermind that for our paid members. I'm actually up for revealing that one to you. So anyway, you can get started here today. The link is ecomvantage.com/trial. It's $7 for 5 days. Unrestricted access. I'll put the link in the thread below this video. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions. Just do what Chris says and you will win. I'm Edward. If you don't mind making a, I know you're in my course of mastermind. If you give your comments on what you think of it, that'd be awesome. If you missed the trick, guys, go back and watch the video. All right. Hey, how you guys doing? Hey, yeah, Neto, how you doing? Club, how you doing? All right, any questions, my friends? Rich, how you doing? All right. If there's no more questions, As I'm sitting out, what do you call it? The balcony area of the hotel I'm staying in here in Kuala Lumpur. It's like a coffee shop balcony here. All right. Doesn't appear to be any more questions. Okay, guys, so go to ecomvantage.com/trial. Again, it's 5 full days of access, unrestricted. You get access to my support mastermind. You get access to all the content for $7. Now, after that, you will be billed at $100 a month. But if you get in there and say this is not for me, no problem. I mean, just message me or message my support desk. I got a full-time staff monitoring the support desk. Or you can just private message me. We'll cancel. And by the way, you're not obligated to $100 a month forever, right? You can come in, stay as long as you want, and then you can cancel your membership. And at the end of the monthly term, you'll be out. All right. I'll put the link in the thread below, and we'll see you on the inside, guys. If you missed this secret, go back and watch it because you don't want to miss it.
Thanks for watching the video. To watch the next one, click right here. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here.